Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you a new script I'm working on. I already just use Python to create it. It's a software to create TikTok, Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, YouTube banners, YouTube thumbnails, eBay export instantly like zip files, PNG files, watermarks, EXIF privacy stripping like yeah, you can crop full screen images and I'm gonna show you how my software works, and in the next days I'm gonna publish it. So I think if you are a YouTuber or Instagram user, you're making your own content, yeah, this is a very cheap way to save you much time. And yeah, let's go into it. It's not finished yet, but it's working totally fine. So here we are inside. Yeah, this is just how it looks right now. And of course, there are some special things for myself for donating me or something, but we go inside. What can this do for me? We just add a file. So we go add just one file. You can deny it and you become a preview. You can make it huge if you want. So what we want to do, like a quick short, no crop or full screen, you can you can choose yourself what exactly you want. You want it for YouTube, Instagram, Squares, social media. I'm gonna add plenty new stuff, and everyone who is purchasing my software getting every update for free because you are already paid one time. So why should you pay another time? I'm gonna show you what we can do. We can do it on JP, PNG. I recommend doing JPG because the quality is, yeah, it's much better, I think. We can do a watermark if you want, and easy export with zip file to like upload it, or no zip file to use it. On the left side, you see a preview. You can close the preview. You can add strip EXIF for the privacy. No one can steal on online your picture if you upload it somewhere. No one can right click and just download it. It's like, yeah, it's ripped off, stripped EXIF privacy. So this is how the picture will look. And we just gonna do it one time. So we choose a folder, the dist folder, and we go export now. So let's look how the picture looks. What the fuck? It's like exactly what you need for a short, an Instagram reel, YouTube, TikTok shorts. It's exactly what you need. The size. Yeah, we can take a look how the original looks. The original was this. Yeah, that's crazy. So let's do it with another picture like this. It's very cool looking. And yeah, maybe you're a pixel artist or something and you want to do Instagram Reel, TikTok Shorts, YouTube Shorts, promote your channel very quick. You see, I'm telling you right now how it works, but if you are working inside my software I wrote myself for you, um, you will just know at the picture, press the button, and boom, finished in 1 second. Yeah, even on bad PCs. So let's start from new. We can remove this. We can add a new file, um, a new test picture. We make a quick short. We're gonna export it. Um, let's see how it looks. Yeah, bam, instant short. You can make it like put 100 pictures and make short videos, bumping up your YouTube channel, your TikTok. It's instantly. You don't need Adobe Premium or whatever you was. Yeah, you don't need Photoshop anymore. You don't need to pay monthly. It's just one-time payment, and yeah, there will come many more updates, and I'm already fully into it. I'm looking to after I'm finished with all this stuff. Yeah, it took me so long time in the background. After I'm fully finished with my software. I'm gonna add here on top multiply more stuff. I'm gonna add like, like you put a video inside and it crushes the video into shorts. And yeah, this is one thing I really want to do and I'm looking for. And if someone likes this software, just let me know, because I'm working right now on it, and in the next days I'm gonna publish it. And if I know people like it, maybe on the first publish week I'm gonna make a sale. Like, I wanna sell it for $10 maybe, the software for everyone. Only one-time payment, and so if many people like it, maybe I start with $5. So because it's enough, $5 is enough, but it's work. It's like 3 months of work, maybe 2.5 months, and yeah, it really crushed my head many times. Yeah, and you see, it's not only this. What about, like, we can make a channel banner for your YouTube. It's not a joke. You don't need to pay someone on Fiverr, or you don't need Photoshop. You can just make a simple channel banner. You can just click boom, export. Yeah, you see, it's that simple. Yeah, here it is. I know you are confused. You just see, oh, it's the size. No, it's a perfect, exactly size and the best quality of the picture you can get, um, for your instant YouTube banner. You can just use the file directly, put it on your YouTube file. So you can even buy my software, make 1,000 shorts, and then you sell the shorts on your own page. I don't mind. You can do this. But for my work, yeah, I want a little bit. I can't give this for free. I give many things for free on my page and on my little 5M stuff and the stuff I'm working on, and many games on my itch.io. But this, you can put a watermark on, and maybe I change it. I like this purple. Yeah. Um, I just like it. And if you want, yeah, you can support me. You can donate. But you don't need to donate. Yeah, I'm not rich or something, and I swear to God, and I know I don't should do this, uh, but I really swear the money for this, it's not giving me, like, yeah, I'm gonna get rich or something. It's just paying off rent and regular stuff, food, or child support stuff. I mean, I don't need child support stuff because my son is living by me, but yeah, it's kind of cool, and I really like it. I use it myself, so I wrote it for myself, and I'm kind of in love with it. So yeah, and if anyone needs a special size, let me know. I mean, it will save you daily time. If you are a YouTuber, a streamer or something, it will change totally. You don't need to pay anyone. You just have your picture, finish, bam, put it inside, and you make clack, 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 and you have everything. Even if you are Etsy seller, Shopify, Amazon, eBay seller, yeah, for your eBay products, link ID banner, Facebook posts, Facebook cover, X header for, Twitter X. Yeah. Hello, Elon. General, like, you just want the icon. The preview is looking just for yourself. You can also make a before and after if you like it. And yeah, it's very good. So please leave a feedback. Please leave a thumbs up. I'm grinding to it, and I know not today, not tomorrow, but in maybe 3 or 5 years, I'm writing amazing code. I'm so into it. I'm so into books. Yeah. Okay. Long talk. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy my software. I'm gonna publish this software in the next week. So keep your eyes on this. If you want to be the first people, yeah. If someone of you wants to be the first people on Earth to easy save time, not using AI or not paying someone on Fiverr, you just go, oh, I need this size, general icon. I don't want a watermark, I don't want a strip EXIF, or I want PNG, whatever. And you just go export and boom, it's exported. And you can choose your folder where you want to export it. And then you have your icon size. Yeah. And you just saw it. There are many things. And just if you're Amazon, Shopify, Etsy seller, it saves you amazing time. If you're a streamer, Instagrammer, YouTuber, TikToker, it saves you amazing time. And you can even make like fully videos of it. Put 5 pictures, boom, crush it to shorts, bam, 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 and then talk 1 minute and you have amazing shorts. Yeah, that's how my software works. And I hope you enjoy it. And I think $5 is worth this, of course. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Thanks for supporting me.